I'm building Shopify app that lets you create product photos from reference images using AI. And here's the few examples. Let me show you how it works. This is my app, and here let's upload our main image. And let's choose a reference image. I have this one. And for now, let's choose follow reference image settings. It will try to replicate exactly lighting and camera perspective. Let's hit generate. So, and this is how it looks. I think it's recreating the reference image very well. As you can see, it also keeps text and overall the shape of the product really well. So I think it's really a nice example how to recreate a really nice image from reference, but to choose another lighting or let's say camera perspective, it doesn't make sense in this example, right? Because the scene is overall is not compatible, let's say for top down or 45-degree angle camera. So let's take on another example and I show you how we can change image settings and you can get completely different images, but also keeping in mind the reference image setting, mood, and overall positioning. So let's try another example. So here I have main image and reference image. Let's first generate also image based on reference image. Let's try to duplicate this scene exactly, right? This is our image based on reference image. I really like how it keeps the text and labels of the original product really well, and just combine them with the reference image, we get really nice result. Let's select out our reference image setting. Let's choose another lighting, high directional light, and choose top down camera perspective and hit generate. So this is our top-down image with the new aspect ratio, with the same positioning of the products. As you can see, we have strawberries and some flowers. And so we try to keep everything from the reference image, but to adapt and change to our situation, which is the new camera perspective. And I think it does it really nice. So it works. And I think it's really cool that you can just copy reference image and you can change some settings and try to make this unique. So you also have a library page where you can see your all generated images, and you can open those page and make some adjustments or generate new page, and it will appear in your generated image section. So I think overall it works really good. It keeps the labels and product in original shape and in original colors. And you can also use it for your own product. Maybe you have any great images for one specific product and you want to replicate for another product. So you can do it with this app. You can upload your product as reference image. I think the future for this app will be to let also dynamically upload generated images to the product page, right? So you don't need to manually download it. I also want to create edit option that maybe you want to change background or you want to change something else on new generated image. I think that will be really nice. So thank you for watching this video and see you next time.